Today we're going to look at the Braun Silk-épil 9. This is new, and it contains a shaver and a trimmer, a mini trimmer, and 6 extras, and we'll see what are those in just a moment. It says, and it's claiming removing even shortest hair up to 0.5 millimeters. It has a pivoting head. So yeah, it does shaving, and also where it says, let's see if we're not wrong. Yeah, it's also epilate. So it will epilate, shave, and trim, plus a mini trimmer. So yeah, let's see what else it says in here. Wide pivoting head for fast and effective results. It has also a smart light, reveals even the finest hair, so you won't miss them. A smart touch, that's interesting, automatically adapts the speed and guides you for better results. 40 micro grip tweezers, catch even shortest hair that wax can't. Wow. And it works wet and dry. The battery for cordless use is up to 50 minutes, but there's some little dots in there, meaning that depends on what speed maybe you're using, or yeah, doesn't really say much more in here. And that's the same information on the back. You can see it's a 3-in-1, so it epilates, shaves, and trims, and he also has a mini trimmer to get the extra bits when you go to the seaside maybe. So it also has a nice pouch in here, I can see, and 6 extras. We need to see what are those 6 extras. So yeah, let's open it up. Oh, my bad. So there's also one in here, and it opens like that. You have all kind of information in here. So this is that touch button that they were saying, they were talking about. So that's on-off button, and then I guess this is the touch button for sensitive areas. Smart touch mode automatically controls the speed with the pressure applied, and then yeah, power mode. So it has I guess 3 speeds maybe. Yeah, then you have a nice manual, user manual, and there's also information about the little the mini trimmer, which we'll look in a bit. But I am excited to see that it comes in this lovely pleather case, really nice and really small as well. So it fits in a lady's purse, you know, very easy. What else we have in here? We'll look at that in just a second. So yeah, let's get on with this. So yeah, let's open the main product. Nice strong zipper. Ta-da! So that's the main device. Very interesting design. That's also rotating. Nice grip on the back. Let's see what's this. So that's how you remove the head if you wanna clean it. and it pops back in there in place. So it also comes with this and another head. I think this is just for shaving, and that will be to epilate. And let's see what accessories is in here, because you should have this body trimmer as well, which I was expecting to be in here maybe. Okay, so this is where we have a charger, and it's this kind of type, not USB-C. And I guess, and I hope, that's where the mini trimmer will be. And that's a brush to remove the hair from here. Very useful, they always give you that. So yeah, let's see. We'll open this. And yeah, there you have it, guys, the mini trimmer. Let's see how we can remove it from here. Wow. Maybe remove this like that. Okay. So my question is, how do you charge this? Always use oil before using them. It's, you know, the same with any kind of clippers, any trimmers, any, you know, shavers. So I just want to see. I have no clue, but that's the protection. No, actually, it acts as a kind of protection, but it's more for if you don't want to shave that, if you don't want to trim all the way. Very interesting. What is that? So yeah, let's see how we. Okay, so it's with battery. Has a Duracell battery inside. I thought it's rechargeable. You can always use a rechargeable AA battery. So you put this in the same position, you line up with that, and that's off and that's on. So I should normally trim. Yeah. And then can you actually remove this head? Or am I gonna break it? Okay, doesn't seem like. Must be a way, because you may want to clean this. Okay, let's not break it. But that's how it sounds. So that's the mini trimmer. As you can see, you can use it on, it says body, so it's safe to use on body areas. So let's put this back so you won't lose it. So let's go and see the main product, which seems like it's discharged. So let's put it to charge, and then I'll get back to you. One thing to show you, that's how long is this? Probably, what's this? I don't even know. Almost a meter long. But again, doesn't have a UK plug. Not sure why, but this works in most of the hotels, I guess. So that's why they go for this. So let's charge it. Okay, guys. So I've charged it a bit. So let's see how it operates. So you see with this little light, it will allow you to see here, and then this is a bit slower, I think. I'm not sure what they mean by touch. You still press this, it's still a button. So that's the fastest, which is 1, 2, and this might be automatic, I think. Let's quickly see if it says in the lovely manual. And before that, let's just quickly see. Okay, so you just pour water over it and then you clean it again, and then that's all you can do. You can't really remove this head. So yep, nice one. And then with this one, the main product, so yeah, you see you can use it everywhere on the body. Number 5, I'm interested. Okay, I like this. So it has also travel lock. So you press this for 3 seconds and you lock, so you'll prevent from accidental press, and turn on when you know it's with you. And they show you how to charge it. They show you how to remove that, and then use different accessories. But you know what, they were saying plus 6 extras. I guess is 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. Does this count as an extra? See, I'm just not sure which are the 6 extras. Unless it's it counts like this, because I've noticed you should be able to remove this somehow. No, that's how it should be. This one should be in there, you know. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Where are the 6 extras? This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4, 5, and maybe 6 with this. Yeah, I think that's what it is. I think that's what they meant by that. So let's see if we could figure out our thing that I was looking about. If we have any instruction that I could understand. Okay, so operation modes, yeah. So you start, and it starts in mode 1, which is this 1 line. Gentle mode will be 2 lines, and then smart touch mode, it's A. So let's put it back in now. What do they mean by start touch? Not too sure. I don't want to rip all my hair on my hand. Okay, sorry. It actually says in here. So the smart touch allows controlling the speed depending on the pressure applied. So if you do a light pressure, it will be a gentle mode for sensitive areas, and with normal pressure, power mode for best efficiency. Yeah, if you press it too hard, then a red light warning will show up, and then they say about the travel lock in there. And yeah, if you wanna do the epilation, they show you some indications in here. So it says make sure that the hair is no longer than 0.5 and 3 millimeters for best results. So maybe you should shave it first a bit and then you epilate. Let's see which one exactly is the epilation head, if it says somewhere in here. So 1A, that's the massage roller cap. 1B, that's the skin contact. So if you want to have less, you add this on top of that, I guess. No, actually you remove that and you put this instead. And then what's number 2? Sorry, that's the epilation head, the one that comes with. Yeah. And then you have this extra head for shaving. Let's see if we can open it quickly. So you guys can see how it looks like. So I think this is again so you won't take it if you don't want to shave it. You want to leave it a bit higher. So then you remove this. Let's see how this one sounds. So always press this and it easily gets removed. And then you put this other one in position. Like so. Okay, that has a different sound on it. Yeah, so that's like a shaver. So I would think maybe you put this like so. You shave first. And then you remove this head. And you put the other head. And you're ready to epilate. Yeah. Yeah, so easy as that, I think. I will try it, and yeah, definitely. I mean, I'll ask my missus to try it, and then I'll see if she complains of anything. But so far, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Everything seems to be really good. What's happening here? Instructions are on point. You get this extra, and then yeah, you get all these accessories. I really love the bag. So you can just put them like that. This one has this as well. Boom. So you put that in, this like that, and you can have this in there as well, and that. Everything fits. Maybe also the charger, you put it in there. So yeah, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Really good epilator and shaver, and with a mini body trimmer. So yeah, thank you for watching.